Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be a bit different from what you've seen on VPNs. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested more than 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research document covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time with stuff you don't care about just to stretch this video to 15 minutes, I'll straight up tell you which ones are the best VPNs for Xbox gaming right now. Plus, a few things about each one that actually matter, so you can pick one and get back to your game. And for the nerds like me, I'll leave a link in the description so you can grab my full research doc completely free and read it all year long. No joke. Let's get right to it. Top 3 VPN services for Xbox gaming and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for Xbox gaming. Why? First, it works seamlessly with Xbox Live. Pretty important, right? Speed. It's literally one of the fastest I tested. Low ping, no connectivity issues, zero packet loss, and solid download and upload speeds. Exactly what you want for smooth multiplayer. Features. It's got the most features of any VPN here. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it. It's there to keep your Xbox gaming safe and smooth. Pricing and support. Affordable for what it offers, and support is top-notch. Logs? Nope, they don't keep any. That's a fact. Encryption? They use the best encryption tech to keep your connection secure and private. Overall, super easy to use, fast, no issues, and reasonably priced for what you get. Negatives? The 10-device limit might be tight if you want to protect your whole household. Second best VPN for Xbox gaming is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward, no BS VPN built for pure performance. Speed, incredibly fast with consistently low ping, no lag spikes, no packet loss, just smooth gaming every time you jump in. Features. It has all the essentials gamers need, plus a few extras. A reliable kill switch and split tunneling, great for routing only Xbox traffic through the VPN or not. Pricing and support, one of the best values out there. Often cheaper than competitors, but delivers top-tier performance. Support is fast and helpful. Logs? No, they don't keep logs. They have an independently audited no-logs policy. Encryption? AES 256, the best tech available. Negatives? It's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which might bother privacy geeks. Plus, the server network is smaller than the others. Overall, a clean, fast, and secure set-it-and-forget-it VPN. Perfect for Xbox gaming and great value. Third best VPN for Xbox gaming is Private Internet Access, or PIA. Why? It offers a massive server network and the most customization here. Speed? Very good. The huge server network means you can always find a fast, uncrowded server nearby, helping reduce lag. Features? Packed with stuff. Kill switch, a great ad blocker, and the most customization of the three, so you can tweak it to your gaming needs. Pricing and support, almost always the cheapest premium option. Support is good and professional. Logs? No, they don't keep logs. Their no-logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption, top-tier encryption, and it's customizable too. Negatives? Like IPVanish, it's US-based. Also, the app isn't quite as streamlined as the others. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. Best if you're on a budget, but still want a huge server network and advanced features. And that's it. My top 3 picks for Xbox gaming. NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick one just because you like the logo or the colors, you'll be totally fine. They just work perfectly with Xbox gaming. Quick recap to wrap this up if you're still on the fence. Go with NordVPN if you want the best all-around VPN for Xbox gaming with a premium experience, tons of features, and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it Xbox VPN that's an incredible value. Go with PIA if you're on a budget, but want a VPN for Xbox gaming with a massive server network and lots of advanced features. My job here is done. I've given you the answers, so you don't have to waste your time. I've dropped my exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description below, so you can snag the best prices. Thanks for your time. Now, go pick one and let me know in the comments which one you chose. Have an awesome day or night. Bye.